What's up, crypto gang? Welcome back to another episode. If you guys are new here, we do a giveaway at the beginning of every single episode, and today's winner is Jack Steve. Thanks so much for commenting on the previous video, Jack. I just sent you some AC3 tokens. On this episode, I go through the top reasons why Blockchain Wallet is the #1 wallet that you should be using as a beginner getting into crypto. Before I dive into the overview, this is not a sponsored video whatsoever. I use Blockchain Wallet, and a lot of the people that I respect use Blockchain Wallet because you're able to hold your private keys, and that is one of the most important components to cryptocurrency. That being said, they are doing a campaign on Grow Your Base, so you guys can go check that out with the link in the description below. You guys can share out their new airdrop, complete some tasks, earn some AC3 tokens, and share around their amazing new charity giveaway. But without further ado, let's dive into the first reason why Blockchain Wallet is the best wallet that you can get into as a beginner in cryptocurrency. The first reason is because they are doing initiatives like, for example, partnering with the Stellar Foundation. Blockchain Wallet has partnered directly with the Stellar Foundation to do a $125 million airdrop. I covered this on the channel previously. A lot of you guys commented that you had gotten your Stellar, which is fantastic. But what they're doing now is they are adding to this $125 million airdrop. So they will airdrop you $25 in Stellar. And on top of that, they will donate $5 to a charity of your choice. The top two that I see right off the bat is Charity Water as well as code.org. If you guys are interested in getting the $25 Stellar airdrop, I will be leaving the link below so you guys can check out the actual airdrop itself as well as the charity portion. I try to cover things on this channel that allow for adoption. And when you're doing a $125 million airdrop and you're also donating to charity, that is basically a 1-2 punch of adoption. The second reason that beginners should be using Blockchain Wallet is because of their new lockboxes. I got my hands on the lockbox right when it came out, which was really exciting. It is a hardware wallet. They partnered with Ledger. The reason that they did this was pretty brilliant in that you not only now have a hot wallet that you can transact in on Blockchain Wallet that you have been able to since the beginning, but now you can move your funds into cold storage with their own branded version of the ledger. This is attractive to traders everywhere, and in addition to that, it brings me into the #3 reason why everybody should be using Blockchain Wallet. The third and newest thing that has come to Blockchain Wallet, in addition to the charity airdrop with Stellar, is their swap feature, which gives you the ability to exchange the different currencies that you hold on your Blockchain Wallet. Currently, they have 4 different assets on the platform. They have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ether, and also the newest one, which is Stellar. So now you actually have the functionality to go on and purchase Bitcoin and swap it for Ethereum if you wanted to. And then if you even wanted to go deeper, you could move it back into your lockbox, moving it into cold storage, all while keeping your private key. Dug around on the depths of the internet and tried to find other services that actually allow you to operate your hot wallet while keeping your private key and have the ability to move into cold storage. The instant one that comes up that people often ask me about is the comparison between Blockchain Wallet and Coinbase. The difference is that Coinbase is a custodian. They hold the private keys, they hold the Bitcoin. So when your Bitcoin or your cryptocurrency is on Coinbase, you do not actually own that cryptocurrency. The recent proof of keys event that happened where everyone withdrew from the cryptocurrency exchanges to keep them accountable was a prime example of why things like Blockchain Wallet will prevail over the course of the next 10 years. Holding your private keys on a platform is by far one of the most important things that you can look for when you're in the cryptocurrency space, and there is a place for Coinbase. When we are doing on-ramps into the space and people are a little less comfortable with holding their own private keys and being entirely their own bank, there is a place for Coinbase, and there's a place for both of them. They operate very well together, as we can tell over the past few years. There's been a lot of people signing up for both of these platforms. Blockchain Wallet and Coinbase, they both have a substantial amount of users, over 25 million to 30 million users. If you have a Coinbase account and you're watching this video right now, go check out blockchain.com because they have the same functionality, except you are entirely in control the entire time. You can swap your assets on the platform, and you can also store online and offline. I'm gonna be leaving the links below to not only the Grow Your Base campaign with Blockchain Wallet, but I will be leaving the links to the $125 million airdrop that they're doing with the Stellar Foundation. So all you have to do is sign up for an account, and then you will get the $25, and they will be donating $5 to a charity. That's it for this overview of Blockchain Wallet. I hope you guys like it. If you did, slap a like. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hack your crypto education, and I will see you guys on the next episode of Hack Crypto.